Negro
Ajá.
es agua.
¿Es agua?
Y esto es
alrededor del bebé.
Él es el bebé. El que
Y este es el bebé. ¿Ves el corazón? Porque está latando un poquito.
So try to get it and just hold it steady where you see the flicker. And I'm going to press pulse wave, it'll get really small. And you want to get this little thing.
Oh, sí se ve que se está moviendo.
And hit freeze.
Eso es.
Okay, now hit measure. Okay, and just scroll. Actually, we need to clear these. Hold on a second. Yeah, let's just say, hit freeze again. Patient. Let's see, this one. Do it again. I'm going to say end exam, that'll end the last exam. Okay, hopefully this will work.
Oh, sorry, I moved.
It's alright. There you go. Just stay there. Okay, try it again. Freeze, and then you hit measure. Good. Now scroll down to fetal heart rate. Hit set. Okay, now position the cursor right at the beginning of one of these lines.
Like in the middle of it?
Right at the start, yeah, because you want to do start to start.
Okay.
Okay, hit set again. Now slide it to the next one, right at the same point, and hit set. And you get 180 beats per minute. Now print that. If we don't print, we technically didn't do it. So we can't pay for it. Now hit 2D again. Okay. Now what we want to do is try to get the crown rump length. So I'm going to sort of help with your hand too.
Yep.
So we want to try to get, first of all, let's make it bigger. As big as we can. Okay, and then try to lengthen it as much as possible. So probably that there. So hit freeze. I'm going to back up a little bit. So let's see what I'm seeing here. So we're probably, okay, so I think this is head here, and this is torso here. So hit the measure again. Go down to crown rump length. And put the cursor, start right at the top of the head there. I go a little bit higher. A little bit further that way. Yeah, right there. I'm just kind of going off where I thought it was. Okay, hit set again. I think it's where you want it to be. Yep. And then go down to the tip there. Hit set again. Yep. And print that. Now let's do that a couple more times. So you can hit freeze to go back to 2D. See if you can do the same thing. Get the fetal pole in view and try to turn your probe until you can lengthen it as much as possible. Vamos a dar ustedes una foto también.
Oh,
aquí.
okay. Gracias.
That's good.
Can I go back?
Yeah, hit freeze. Good. Now I think this is head here.
Okay.
So do the same thing. Let's measure that.
So measure.
Yeah. So hit measure again. Go to crown rump length again. And hit set. And then go.